Wil je goed Nederlands spreken? Heb je de taal nodig? Laat zien dat je het kan. En ga door. The words in color are new words that we will learn today. I am Bart de Pau. This is 1000 Most Common Words in Dutch. The course in basic Dutch vocabulary with exercises on learndutch.org. 40 lessons. In each lesson you learn 25 of the most frequently used Dutch words. Lesson 23 is part 3 of the most common verbs. And do you remember? In Dutch we say werkwoorden. Vinden. Vinden. There are two meanings, to find and to have an opinion about something. Bedoelen. Bedoelen. Now, a frequent sentence that you use when you apologize is ik bedoelde het niet zo. Ik bedoelde het niet zo. I didn't mean it like that. The ending de in bedoelde is the conjugation of the past tense. And this is explained in lesson 50 of #Dutch Grammar. Bewegen. 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 Be careful here because this word has another second meaning in English if you change your place of living. But in Dutch, you can't use bewegen for that. In lesson 28, more about it. Nemen. Nemen. There is a difference between this verb and the next one. And for sure, it is not related to the type of food you see. Willen. Willen. Nodig hebben. Nodig hebben. Gebruiken. Gebruiken. Geven. Geven. Don't make mistakes in the conjugation of Dutch verbs. To achieve that, you need practice. And then it is good to know that there is more on our website than just the exercises that belong to this lesson. With the free Dutch verb conjugation trainer on learndutch.org, you can practice. Vertellen. Vertellen. Proberen. Proberen. Lijken. Lijken. Tonen. Tonen. But more common is to use a combination of the verb laten, that you learned in lesson 18, and zien, that you learned in lesson 8. Laten zien. Laten zien. Literally, to let it be seen. Spelen. Spelen. That's what children do, but like in English, we also use it when playing a game. Zitten. Zitten. Staan. Staan. Now, if there is one animal that is an expert, yep, the meerkat. In Dutch, stokstaartje, which literally means little tail like a stick. Betalen. Betalen. Ontmoeten. Ontmoeten. Doorgaan. Doorgaan. And that's what I would like to tell you about this course. The imperative of this separable verb, ga door. Ga door. Uitgeven. Uitgeven. Groeien. Groeien. Zich herinneren. Zich herinneren. Zich is a reflexive pronoun. And zich herinneren is a reflexive verb. More about reflexive verbs I tell in lesson 33 of my online course #Dutch Grammar. Aanbieden. Aanbieden. Overwegen. Overwegen. Bouwen. Bouwen. Blijven. Blijven. And that can have the meaning of physically staying at the same place, but in combination with a verb, it rather means continue doing that. For example, what I'm telling you now. Blijf studeren. Keep on studying. Well, that's it. If you liked the lesson, click the thumbs up button and share it on social media. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for weekly videos to learn Dutch. See you next lesson. Tot les 24. Tot les 24.